Mickey Mouse, first of all, what the heck is up with this game? Are those paintings or windows? Geez, game designers, make up your minds. What is this bullshit? 2 cats? Why not 3? Geez, what were they thinking? This game's a bunch of poopy ass dicks. Covered in chocolate feces. What is this? Some kind of angel? I don't want religion in my game. Geez, walking chairs? What's he in a hurry for? To get sit on? What's this flashing bird flashing for? Is he the police? Geez, you open up a locked treasure chest to get a key. Isn't that ass backwards? What's the deal with these wall grenades? You'd think they'd explode a little bit bigger. Come on, game designers, get with it. This game's a bunch of poopy ass trippings covered in serum.